What it could be. Oh love, oh love, oh love. It was sweet, sweet love.